The milk you buy from the store is incredibly fresh. So fresh, it was likely still in a cow just 2 days before it reached your refrigerator. Let's take a look at how milk travels from the farm to store shelves in its various forms. Milk fresh from the cow enters a system of stainless steel piping and flows into refrigerated vats, where it is cooled and stored at 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Sterile tanker trucks then transport the raw milk to a processing plant, where it is tested for bacteria levels, fat and protein content, and the presence of antibiotics. Once approved, the raw milk is pumped through chilled tubing into holding tanks called silos. The raw milk goes through a 4-step process: clarification, separation, pasteurization, and homogenization. Clarification removes bacteria, spores, dirt, and other solids via a centrifuge. Separation can take place at the same time as clarification. Centrifugal force separates the cream to the center, while the skim milk is drained out at the edges. Pasteurization extends the life of the milk by killing harmful, but not all, microorganisms through exposure to heat. Before Louis Pasteur developed the process into the 1860s, drinking contaminated milk often led to sickness or death. The homogenization process involves pumping milk through small openings under high pressure. Without this step, the cream in a container of milk would clump together. The portion of cream reintroduced to skim milk determines whether the final product becomes 1%, 2%, whole, or other types of milk. Each type of milk goes into a separate refrigerated storage tank before it is packed. Dixon provides hygienic solutions to keep milk moving between cow and kitchen. Visit our website to learn more about our 3A compliant products for the dairy industry. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.